You list an item on eBay first, so you don't have any of the inventory, but you know where to get it. The customer buys the item, and then you buy it from the retailer, ship it to their home, and you keep the profit. And I say that because you don't want to be drop shipping from any marketplace where the items are not being shipped by the marketplace. So there are 350 million to 450 million items, SKUs, products on Amazon that are either sold by Amazon or shipped by Amazon, as compared to Walmart, where there are only about 150 million items fulfilled by Walmart. What's up guys, Mark Augustine here, and in this video I created a little presentation for you guys to talk about the #1 supplier that we use as eBay dropshipper. So I would like to jump in my computer, share a little presentation with you guys, but if you're a beginner dropshipper or experienced dropshipper, I think some of the research and the numbers that I found will really surprise you. So like the video, subscribe to the channel. If you guys want continuous free training on eBay dropshipping, smash the like button. If you have continuous questions, let me know in the comment section. Also, look in the description for all the free resources and stay till the end because I have 2 giveaways for you. So let me jump into my computer. So we want to talk about the #1 supplier in eBay dropshipping. I don't think it's any secret that eBay dropshippers mainly dropship from retailers. You list an item on eBay first, so you don't have any of the inventory, but you know where to get it. The customer buys the item, and then you buy it from the retailer, ship it to their home, and you keep the profit. So that's the basic structure of eBay dropshipping when dropshipping from retailers. And you know there are a small percentage of eBay dropshippers that dropship from wholesalers, but the average dropshipper dropships from retailers. So there are 2 main suppliers when dropshipping from retailers: Amazon and Walmart. Now, the interesting thing is when I started my eBay dropshipping journey, I was very focused on Walmart and I was an expert at Walmart. There are different challenges that come up with Walmart and there are less challenges that come up with Amazon, but I don't think that is enough justification to Amazon over Walmart or Walmart over Amazon. Let's just look at their inventory to start with. So on Amazon, there are 600 million SKUs or 600 million products. On Walmart, there are actually about 450 million. But the big difference is that Amazon FBA is adopted by about 60 to 75% of all Amazon sellers. So that actually works out to be 450 million, 350 to 450 million listings that we can now drop ship on eBay. And I say that because you don't want to be drop shipping from any marketplace where the items are not being shipped by the marketplace. So there are 350 million to 450 million items, SKUs, products on Amazon that are either sold by Amazon or shipped by Amazon, as compared to Walmart, where there are only about 150 million items fulfilled by Walmart. So there's a much bigger inventory on Amazon than Walmart. So what do you want the suppliers to have? You want them to have a wide range of products. You want them to have fast and free shipping. You want easy returns and strong customer service and a reliable inventory. We already know by the numbers that Amazon has a bigger range, a wider range of products than Walmart. We also know that Amazon ships for free to multiple addresses, but Walmart also does that. Amazon tends to have easier returns and easier refunds and a very strong customer service. And both Amazon and Walmart have a reliable inventory, but Amazon has a bigger one. So in conclusion, Amazon is #1 supplier that you should dropship when dropshipping on eBay. And that would go for beginners and experienced sellers. I would say experienced sellers should always have a combination of Amazon and other things, but you can make up as much as $10,000 a month only dropshipping from Amazon on eBay. So thanks for your time, guys. Like the video, subscribe. As I said, there's going to be 2 giveaways on this video. So one giveaway is I have a free Chrome extension that you can download, and that's in the description, and there are videos showing you how to download and how to use it. Also, if you have $100 to invest in properly running your eBay dropshipping business, sign up for Ecom Sniper now and you will get an extra 500 credits Once you sign up and we do the onboarding call, I'll get you extra 500 credits. And I've recently gotten top rated seller, and the reason why I got it is from TrackerBot. I'll put a link to TrackerBot so you guys will get 15% off TrackerBot. Like, subscribe. Have a good one, guys. Later.